Hello, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Xcover6 Pro. In this video I will show you how to manage Google Wallet app. In the beginning, let's enter a wallet. Select Explore Wallet. And as you can see, from the homepage of this app, you can add payment card, manage quick tips, and add passes like transport pass, loyalty and gift card. If you go to menu, you've got access to your Google account, all wallet tips, contactless setup where you can set up payment card, check if NFC is on, if Google Pay is set as your default, if you've got a lock screen set, and if your phone meets security requirements. Next, you can check full list of participating banks and manage passwords in Password Manager. In your data in wallet, you can manage payments data and passes data. In wallet settings, you can manage payments profile, add passes from Gmail, enable or disable review purchases, updates about your passes, and updates from wallet and Google Pay. In the end, you can go to help and feedback. And that's it for managing Google Wallet. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.